Welcome to video 6 in our series of software training for the LED Sign Nation Vivo LED signs. Just a quick review, we've showed you how to make a pretty animated initial program or screen, screen 1 in the loop. Now what we'll do is we'll show you how to make a secondary screen and essentially get to work towards a 2 or 3 program loop. You can make as many as you want. Obviously, you don't want to make too many, as it will kind of clutter up, and the message will get lost in a series of, say, 8 or 9 or 10 loops. In my experience, 4 to 5 is probably the maximum you would like to do. So anyway, so here's program 2. First of all, what we can do is we'll get rid of program 3 and 4 here. So to do that, you simply right-click on it and hit delete. And we'll get rid of number 3 here too, so delete. So now we're working with program 2. And what we're going to do here is we'll make a 2-window one. So add a window. And we'll just make this one, let's just shrink this one down here. I want to just make a quick, neat little animation here. Window 1. So again, we just have to grab it. And as you can see, there's window 1 and 2. Try not to overlap them, as it'll block off the partial some of the second window that's over top of it. But anyway, let's do a quick and what we want to put on the top window, because that is the larger window. I'll put a neat little animation here, a little GIF file, and I believe I had it in my pictures. And there is that. We have it in stretch. We can do the zoom, just kind of shrinks it a little bit. But again, when you play with it, it looks okay with the stretch mode, so we'll leave it in that. Color inverse looks better with the color inverse not on. Okay, now what we'll do here is we'll do a quick, again, we'll stay in image mode, up to 50% off, for example. So we'll just do a simple little text message with the guy pointing down there, that image. So what we want to do, we got to shrink this to fit the 50% off in there, and there you go. So that's now on. Another neat thing what we'll show you how to do here is how to have kind of a punch-out effect. So you'll have black lettering with a different background. Now, here the text is red, the background is black. So what we'll do is, let's say we want to change this to a green, for example. And now when you see you change it to green and the text is red, you can play around with it, see what looks good. Up to 50% off. You can make that bold, and let's actually change this down to small f's, 50% off. And as you can see on the right here, what we have to do is just hit a space bar until it kind of fills in the green. So again, you have to kind of manually do some editing to make it fit right. How about a yellow, a green on yellow? Okay, there's that message again. Okay, we didn't select anything, but it says, do you want to all the text in the text editing window, you want to change? We say yes, and there you go, up to 50% off. So that looks pretty good there. And okay, let's do a couple of the exit stunts or what have you. Why don't we do a shift up, and just to jazz it up a bit, we can have it every second. And maybe we could slow it down a bit so it has that impact there. So now what we'll do is we will watch both programs together and see how that goes. There's the initial one, and there's the second one. And this concludes this video. Thank you.